Meaning of Edge City.
Edge City.
Edge City.
Edge City.
Edge City. Edge city refers to a relatively new type of urban development that has emerged on the edges of larger, more established cities. These areas are characterized by a mix of residential, commercial and industrial land uses, and typically feature large shopping centers, office complexes, and high-rise buildings. They often have sprawling road networks and extensive parking facilities to accommodate the high volumes of car traffic that they generate. The rise of edge cities has contributed to the decentralization of economic activity and suburbanization of American society.